Mr. Bony Butt. You're crazy. How you dancing? Look at me. Do the Alex dance. How do you move like that? That's insane. Whoa, baby, that's crazy. Look at you. Woo! Woo! Do that move again. Do that little hip move thing that you just did. Just the hips. That is hilarious. Oh my god. That is too funny. You are crazy. I called him Bony Butt, so he's showing me that he doesn't have a bony butt and he can move. You dance like your Uncle Dude. Oh my god, look at that. Woo! I bet. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew.